of the Longbridge Rally 2018, and a lot of people come and park here, take a photograph outside the factory just here. This German woman in the MG ZS had just parked there and she did the reversing back there. First international visitors come here. Not held in the field this year due to the fact that it was very wet, unfortunately. MGs. We're starting to leave now. Apparently they've got to leave by 4:30 due to the road regulations on the council, and there's another MG here. They close the gate there, you're able to go into the MG sales showroom over there. So now it's closed off. Our cream van here, we've had tea and coffee facilities here, Marshalls here, Rover 800s. And various cars built at the factory here over the years. Cofton Park opposite me here. I have been told, I know 2 years ago it was cancelled as well, the same sort of thing happened, but more people have stayed around this year and parked up. But apparently there was a mini rally here a few years ago which caused a bit of damage to the field, so the parks warden officer from the council decided that no events in the field if it's wet. So there we are, that's been said, so there we are. Good view of the existing. Well, the gate is still open over there, I beg your pardon. Can go in there and look around. The Mini. And we've also got an early MG Maestro here. B registration, van and plan metro next to it. But no, there's still a gate open there to go into the MG sales office over there. So that's open. Normally open, of course, every day. It's moved from the location over there, which was over in the Elephant, which was just over there. It's all closed off now. Taken back by some mob when I hear. But people are a bit of speculation as to what will happen with it, but meanwhile, a good day here. There's that Mini. The Allegro coming past here. That's the Vicar. Good lord. Saw him earlier. He's come back to see what's around. He's in the passenger seat. Anyway, I'm going to make my way down. There's the MG3 here, got the Rover 100 here. All the customary photographs up there taking place. A lot of people do that. They had pounds for every time that went on. It was keep the factory going. Hello Vicar! How are you?